this step is like probably the most important of the whole video. YouTube! What's up, y'all? It's Carrie. If you don't know who I am, my name is Carrie Love. I'm currently documenting my journey to becoming a profitable trader, and when I'm profitable, y'all still will be here. Today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all becoming a trading millionaire is way more simple than we like to think, and I'm going to be giving you guys 10 simple steps to follow from beginning to the end of your journey, not knowing anything to being a millionaire. Disclaimer, I am following all these steps, and if you could potentially be step 3, step 4, step 5, but just pick up where you are and I'll tell y'all where I am in the process. I'm probably at about step 6 out of 10, so I'm definitely almost there. But if you guys want to know what my thought process is and why I think it's so simple, make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video if you guys want to become a Forex millionaire or a trading millionaire in general. You might not even trade Forex. Step 1, get educated. I know you guys hear this a lot, but you cannot do anything in this space without having the information. People make this seem like it's a shiny object syndrome. This business model, this way of making money is something that can happen overnight, but it's not. You have to know what you're doing. Start off by knowing what Forex is, what futures are, what stocks are. Know that, and then slowly get more information. A couple of places that you can look at that is Baby Pips, YouTube. People have beginner courses everywhere. Just start getting information, and then there's a trading candlestick Bible. This learning process, you want to learn how to place trades, you want to learn about how the market moves, you want to learn everything that you possibly can when it comes to trading. You want to just be as sharp and as knowledgeable about every single aspect of trading. So yeah. Step 2, after you are a little acclimated with what candlesticks are, how they move, what they do, and just the chart, what you're trading, and just how to enter trades. Once you're acclimated with all the basic information, the next step is going to be coming up with a trading plan and creating a strategy, following a strategy and stick to the strategy. But first, if you are watching this video and you've never traded before, and step 1 to step 10 is like you're on step 1, this is perfect. You want to find a strategy and do not switch your strategy. Stick to that first strategy that you find and tweak it. Do not try to keep finding information, because finding more information only hurts you in a game like this. Because we have to remember, this is a probabilities game. There's no knowing 100% of the market so that you avoid losses. I used to fall into this trap at the beginning of my journey, and it only came to bite me in the ass at the end of the day. Most of y'all probably already are past that point, so y'all don't gotta worry about that. If you don't want to start placing any trades, we are going to start by back testing every single day for 1 to twice a day. You can back test and forward test not 1 to twice, 1 or 2 hours a day. So you want to back test and you want to forward test so that you can know, you feel me, what's going on in the chart, so that you can actually have direct experience from, there's something coming down here. So you can have direct experience from what the markets are showing you without the psychological money aspect. And after you have back tested and you have realized that your trading plan works, that your strategy will work, back testing and then just watching the markets play out during these sessions, you will be ready to open up a demo account. So step 4 is to open up a demo account. What you want to do is you want to open up a 50K demo account, 100K demo account, or 150K demo account. The reason why these numbers are important is because another step will tell you why. But in this journey, you are going to risk 1% per trade. So that is $500 on the 50K account, $1,000 on the 100K account, and $1,500 on the 150K account. After you risk that on the demo account, this is not real money, and you make 10%. You don't have to do it for a certain amount of time. You don't have to do it consistently. You just need to do it you need to make 10% with risking 1% on each trade. It is important that you stick to the 1% risk, because we don't want to get the 10% in a day and then just be like, yep, we're successful traders, let's go on to the next step. No, we want to make sure that our strategy works, and we're trying to build psychological ability to stay in trades and get in trades. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we are going to so after open up the demo account, step 5 is going to be open up a small account. And I know small is a relative number, but I'm saying $100 to $500. And one thing that cannot be a small amount to some people, but that's a small account in Forex, because this is a business where we turn some amount of money into another amount of money. So in trading, $100 is just not a lot of money. $100 you can't really make a lot of money with, because 10% of $100 is $10. So, or yeah, 1% of $100 is, yeah, 1% of $100 is $1. So 10% is $10, right? So what you want to do is you want to just get used to like the fluctuation of your real money being at risk. What this does is this just is helping you realize like, okay, there's a potential to actually win and lose money in this, and you want to make 10% on that account. Yes, 10% is only going to be $10. 10% is only going to be $50. You probably don't want to do a $100 account because it's probably not going to hurt you much, but 10% of that account is literally going to, you know, show you a little something. Getting acclimated, risk that 1% to 2%, 1%, get to 10%. Then this is when stuff starts getting real interesting. You're going to buy a prop firm challenge, and I recommend doing a futures prop firm challenge because they are a lot cheaper and the profit targets are a little bit less, but you also have to it's also the rules are different. You're gonna have to get some research done about prop firms, but I may potentially make a video on that. And I'm also gonna make, for this step 2, I'm also gonna make a video on how to create a trading plan, so don't worry about that either. That's gonna be coming soon. So after you open that small account, you're gonna buy a prop firm challenge and pass the prop firm challenge by sticking to that same 1% rule that you did on the last 2 steps. So you want to get, that's typically gonna be anywhere from, it's gonna be anywhere from like 5% of the count to 10% of the count that you need to get. Some prop firm, you'll have to look into prop firms and what you want to do, what is worth risking for you. Step number 7, this is a huge and an important step. You want to make sure that once you pass the account and once you have the challenge and it's yours and you have the account in your possession, you pass the challenge, the funded account is yours. This step is like probably the most important of the whole video. Make sure that you make 1% on the account. So if that's $50K, you only make $500 on the account. And after making that $500, you want to take your first payout right away. And so that you can get your refund back and so that you can get money for having the challenge. So you're not getting all in over your head, you're not getting emotional. You want to make sure that you get some money back from putting the money into this challenge. And yes, you may not pass your first challenge, but I'm saying when you pass the challenge, you need to make sure that you take the 1%. And once you take the 1%, you are going to get your refund as well for the challenge. So then you'll have a little bit of money. And with that money, you're going to, step number 7, you're going to keep compounding the account. So then you want to start getting, number 8, you want to start getting bigger payouts on this account. But then step number 8, you are going to start putting this money into other challenges. So you want to build up your network of challenges, and you can put all these challenges on a trade copier so that you're only trading one account, but it's getting copied onto other challenges. So you want to build up the income. You want to build up money at this point. So you're just getting all the challenges and then passing the challenges and being able to take payouts. Step number 9, what we're going to do is after step number 9. So at this point, after you're buying all these challenges, if you're buying multiple challenges, that means that you're getting paid out on these challenges. So after you're getting these payouts, what you're doing with these payouts for the first little bit, this money at the beginning of your journey is not yours, guys. Like, don't think that you're just rich already. You may be making thousands of dollars in a day and you're not even making that in a week at work, but don't think about it like that. You have to think about it in terms of, this is for me to have longevity. We're trying to become millionaires. We're trying to make this something that works long term and not just something that's just a quick money grab and then we have to start over. So what we're going to do, step number 9, is also a huge and important step, is we're going to be placing all the money into a trading account until you get a substantial trading account. That's like 25K, 50K, or 100K. We're gonna put live money into a broker. If once putting live money into a broker, what this is gonna do is it's gonna stop us from having all these rules that make it so that we can lose the challenge super easy. We can trade as much as we want, and the challenges have set us up to have discipline for our own trading account. So our trading account is literally gonna be built up continuously with the platforms. We still have the platforms, but then we're able to trade on our own account, take out, hold for however long, trade news. We're able to stop it from those rules, and we're able to take withdrawals whenever we deem necessary. So that is a huge important step. And then number 10, that you're pretty much consistently and profitable at that point. But this is how you take it to the millionaire point. You may not ever become a millionaire when it comes to the direct extracting money from the market, but this step is super important. You have to make sure that you are investing your money into ways that will get you money back. Creating businesses for yourself that will give you money back, or investing into things. There's so many different ways to invest, but your priorities for the final step into getting to that level, the millionaire level, is investing into other businesses. Do not spend this money until those other businesses are really paying you to spend the money. You don't want to be the person who gets rich and has the Benz, has the cars, the clothes, the money, the bitches, whatever it is that you like, whatever it is. You don't want to be that person that has that and then get it taken away from you because you did it irresponsibly. Make sure that those last couple steps, you guys really pay attention to those, and it's super important. But no matter what part of your journey that you were in, I just wanted to make this video because it's very feasible, and this is why I talk about this journey so much, and this is why I'm documenting my journey, because it's a very feasible journey. Yes, time is something that we all have to submit to. Time is something that is not, we don't love to wait for stuff. We're not patient. We're in our jobs. I'm working 12 hours a day at Amazon while I'm still in the process and still talking to this about you. But it's a feasible goal, and it's going to be super attainable as long as you stay disciplined, you stay its course, and you just put in the work every day. But yeah, if you're watching this point in the video, make sure you're getting 1% better every day. Make sure you guys are operating out of the motto because nothing. Because when there should never be an explanation as to why you are not getting one step closer to your goals every single day. But yeah, I hope y'all are getting started on that journey, being one step closer to being a millionaire. Because I know, just like y'all, they're just like me, I know y'all don't want to be stuck working 12 hours a day. Even if that's not your scenario, I know y'all don't want to be stuck in this life forever. So do what you can to get out of it. It's way easier than you think it is, or way simpler than you think it is. It may not be easy, but it's definitely simple, and it definitely can be done by anyone. Everyone's just not willing to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna foot with y'all. I just started yapping. OD. It's been Kiara, and I'm out. Peace. Oh yeah, and I just got my hair done, so I'm not looking like a rough hot mess no more. Peace out.